Good evening, students. How are you? Very good, very fine. I am also fine. So I think that everything going well. Whatever work I assigned to you yesterday, I think you completed that. See, in physics, one thing is required, that is whatever commitment you have done with me, that you have to complete. Or I think you have completed. Abhay Kota, K Vlogs, very good. CSK Chennai, what's name? Vijay Kumar, very good, done. Good, yes, very good. This type of fire I want, done. Starting without saying me, yes, this fire I require, very good. Rohit, good, very good, very good. Lakshay, done. Okay, let us start. So yesterday I told you that what to do. You will perform how many? 5 questions in differentiation, 5 from slope and 5 from the maxima minima, and I think you completed that. Yes, completed means your fire on comment box showing that you completed all that homework is assigned. Okay, let us enjoy today's topic. Yes, whenever you are taking interest for your, you can say, current topic, whatever we are going to study, that means you are going to be very good in physics. Always be very positive, or you can say be like a learner mindset, that I am going to learn something new today. And these are everything are very you can say wonderful things like differentiation, integration. Okay, let us start. Let us revise yesterday's concept, because whatever we have discussed about maxima and minima, that is little bit complicated for the students. So let me revise with a very small concept. Right now we have discussed dy by dx, means differentiation of y with respect to x. Its geometrical meaning itself indicates slope, and I already told you slope means tan theta, and theta means theta from angle from positive x-axis. This is angle from positive x-axis, very important, positive x-axis. So that we have discussed. What was the second concept? Second concept was maxima minima. You tell me the step for maxima minima. See, maxima minima are very rarely used in our physics, but that is important one. You need to know about maxima minima. What is the step? First step is find dy by dx, put dy by dx equal to 0. This is the first step. Second step, what is that? Double differentiate, that means d2y by dx square, and check it if it is greater than 0 or it is less than 0. If it is greater than 0, that means maxima or minima, you tell me fast. If greater than 0 means reverse process, this is going to be minima, and it is less than 0 means that is going to be maxima. I think up to this part we have completed, we have discussed. Yes or no? Or I think that everything is clear. If everything is clear, then fire it in comment box. Okay, let us take one example for maxima minima so that you can get clear idea. Done. Okay, let us take one question for in that part. I am going to give you one question. Let us assume y equal to given 27x minus x cube. What you have to find out? You have to find maximum value of y. Find y maximum. See, this types of the question will be used in our physics. What is the question? Y is given, and what we have to calculate? Maximum value of y. If you are able to calculate this question, that means you are doing well in maxima minima. Then how to calculate? You just try it by yourself first. After that, I will tell you how to calculate. Option number 1. What is he is asking? Option number 1 is 81. Option number 2 is 54. Option number 3 is, that is 27. Option number 4 is None of these. Which is the right option? Yes. See, let us start, because this one is the very interesting concept. And don't be worried, I will teach you everything with particular concept, magical concept, and you can say magical tricks, so that you can solve physics questions like biology. Don't be worried. But first we need some basic knowledge. That's why we are doing that basic part. Y is given, what is the maxima minima process? First process is find dy by dx. This is the first step. What is the dy by dx? Differentiate this. This is going to be 27. Differentiation of x is 1 minus. This is 3x square. Then put dy by dx equal to 0. This is the first step. When dy by dx equal to 0, this is 3x square equal to 27. This is 9, means x equal to plus minus 3. Two value we obtain. See, this question is very logical, and you can say framed for you guys, so that you can have clear idea about maxima and minima. What is the next process? Next step, first step is done. What is the first step? We got the value of x, where there can be maxima, there can be minima. What is the second process? Now you find d2y by dx square. What is the d2y by dx square? Differentiate it once again. 27 differentiation is 0, and this is minus 3x square minus this is 2x, that means minus 6x. Now what is the process? Now put the value of x. What is the x? We are getting two value of x, plus 3 as well as minus 3. When put x equal to plus 3, what will be the our result? d2y by dx square is going to be minus 18. See, minus 6 into 3, and this is less than 0. That means at plus 3, what we are going to obtain? Maxima or minima? Because this is less than 0, that means maxima. That means this is the maxima, first step. Second one is, what is that? Find d2y by dx square at x equal to minus 3. d2y by dx square, what it is going to be? Minus 6 into minus 3, that is plus 18. This is greater than 0, means minima. See, in this question both the value we are getting, maxima as well as minima. X equal to plus 3 means maxima, x equal to minus 3 means minima. What he asking in the question? Maximum value. Maximum value means what should we prefer? Maxima, where we are getting at x equal to plus 3. That means our final answer will be, means maximum value at x equal to 3. So x equal to 3, value y maximum is going to 27 into 3, in the sense 81. Put value of x equal to 3 minus 3 power 3, that is going to be 27. What is this? This is going to be 54. Yes or no? So what is the right answer? 54. This is the right answer. If in same question they have asked what is the minimum value, then what will be your answer? Sir, minima we obtained at x equal to minus 3. Put x equal to minus 3, you will get the answer. See, this interesting process is maxima and minima, because if you directly observe this equation, you are not able to find maxima minima value by putting the values. How much value you will try, how many values you are try, we are unable to do. That's why maxima minima have its own application by differentiation, so that we can find maximum and minimum value. So I think up to this point everything is clear. If everything is clear, now let us move forward on our next interesting basic part, that is integration. And my dear students, this differentiation and integration combinedly, these are called calculus. These are called calculus. So let us start with today with integration. Don't be worried, those students still not comfortable in differentiation, I will revise differentiation with integration. Don't be worried. So let us start with integration, very important part. What do you mean by integration? See, integration name itself indicates, integration means integrity. Integrity means unite. Unites means we have to add something. Addition, one type of addition itself is the integration. So how to define integration in physics? As per physics is concerned, this is the reverse process of differentiation. You know, differentiation means difference. Integration means add. Differentiation means difference. Integration means add. That means integration represented by symbol this one. This is the symbol for integration. You need to remember. You can say summation symbol. This is y dx. This is the notation for integration. Very, very important. That means how to read this? Integration of y with respect to x. How to read this statement? This is called integration of y with respect to x. This is the integration of y with respect to x. Very important. And if you know differentiation, means there is no problem in integration. Okay, let me clarify this. Means to say, if you know that d over dx x square, tell me first what is the differentiation of this one? Very good. In comment box, your fire should not be stopped with right answer. Yes, that is, if we differentiate x square with respect to x, then this differentiation is going to be 2x. What is the differentiation? 2x. What I told you, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Then what do you meaning of this one? If we integrate this 2x, what we are going to integrate? 2x with respect to x. Then what is the answer? X square. Are you getting this point? What is the meaning of this? It means that if for any quantity you are doing integration, then its integration will be the quantity whose differentiation it was. Means to say, differentiation of x square is 2x. If you are going to integrate 2x, then what is the integration of 2x? You will search 2x is the differentiation of x square. That means integration of 2x is going to be x square. This is as simple as that. I think getting this one. Still, if you are confused, let us take one more example. If it is given, let us take one example. You know d over dx, differentiation of sin x. What is the differentiation of sin x? D over dx sin x. So this differentiation is going to be cos x. If someone asks, yes, I think now you are getting my question. What is the integration of cos x dx? That is going to be sin x. So I think one concept is clear to you guys. What is the integration? Integration is basically reverse process of differentiation. Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. One more thing, my dear student. What is that? Integration means sum. Integration means sum. This is the integration sign. If nothing is mentioned on this, means no limit are given. No limits are given. That means we don't know from where to where we have to add the function. That's why this integration is called indefinite integration. Which integration? Indefinite integration. Sir, for indefinite integration, we are not sure that it is completely x square. That means there may be something. There may be something that is indefinite. To make it definite, just add one constant plus c. Wherever you are doing integration plus c, what plus c indicates? Sir, there is no limits. No limits means what is going to be? This is indefinite constant. Very simple statement. So I think up to here you are getting everything done. Prince, VSR, very good, done. Done. Don't be worried. I am also waiting for you when you are coming to the center. Don't be worried. We will meet. Don't be worried. Okay. See, now take the example for same questions. I think you know. Let us do differentiation so that it will revise again. D over dx. What is the differentiation of x power n? Tell me first. N into x power n minus 1. What is the meaning of this? It means that if you are going to integrate if you are going to integrate n into x power n minus 1 with respect to dx, what you will do, you know that this is the differentiation of x power n. Then what is integration? Integration will be x power n. But one more thing, if there are no limits assigned, means this is indefinite integration. Indefinite integration means plus c will be there. Okay, let us take one more example. You tell me, dear student, if d over dx, it is given that you differentiate x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. What is the differentiation of this part? Let us differentiate that. When we differentiate this one, 1 over n plus 1 is the constant. See, this is 1 over n plus 1 is the constant. Now differentiate x power n plus 1. What is the differentiation? This is the value of n, means n plus 1. Yes or no? X power n minus 1. What is the n plus 1 minus 1. See, n plus 1 is going to be cancelled. This is going to be x power n. Very important, very important. What is that? Differentiation of this one is x power n. Then what is the integration of x power n? Very important. Remember this, we are going to form one formula. Integration of x power n is going to be x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. You need to remember this formula directly. Very important. Yes. Mark it with via star rating. Very important. What is the integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This formula is very important for you guys. Means to say, most of the work of the integration will be done by this formula only, x power n formula only. And these two formulas are very important. If any of the students is not comfortable in differentiation and integration, he should know these, x power n differentiation as well as x power n integration. The magical formula for our physics. I think now you are getting this. If you are getting, then yes, very good, same work. Fire in comment box. Yes, my dear future doctors should be fired with top ranks. Okay, let us do some questions. That means now one thing we know, differentiation is reverse process of integration and integration is reverse process of differentiation. We know the differentiation. And some students still asking, sir, what is C? C stands for constant. Don't worry, I am giving you one example so that you can get clear idea. I am taking one question. What is that? If someone asks you integration of x square dx, let us do that. Don't worry, I will clarify what is C. See, what is the concept? Sir, if x square is given, what is the formula for that? Remember this, whenever x power n dx integration, someone asking you, what is the integration? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Very important. Apply this formula on this concept. What is value of n? Value of n is 2. That means this is going to x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. See, I am putting C here. What is the reason? I will tell you, don't be worried. That is going to be x power 3 by 3 plus C. Dear student, this is one example. This is question number 1. If same question is being asked like that, integration of x square dx. See, listen very carefully. 0 to 1. See, what is difference between this integration and this one? In both the integration, what he is asking? Integration of x square. But in this one, there are no limits. But here limits are given. Limits means these values. The value which being put on the symbol of integrations are called limit. That always define that this integration is definite or indefinite. That means this integration where no limits are there. What is this? These are indefinite integration. Indefinite integration means we don't have limit from where to where we have to add. That's why we always add one constant c. This is the basic concept. In this one, limits are there. Then sir, how to solve this? Same process, dear students, same. What is the integration of x square? X power 3 divided by 3. Now, first integrate the function as you formula know, like that only. Then after put the limits from 0 to 1. What is the process to putting the limit? To put the limit, what to do? First, this is called upper limit. What is this? This is called upper limit. And this one is called lower limit. This is lower limit, upper limit and lower limit. First put value of upper limit in place of x. Then after put value of lower limit in place of x. Let us put these values. What is the value of upper limit? 1. Put value 1 in place of x. What is that? 1 power 3 by 3 minus sign lower limit in place of x, 0 power 3 divided by 3. This is going to be 0. What is the answer? 1 by 3. See, at that side I am not putting plus c, because reason is that because this is definite. We know that there is limits are defined. That's why this integration is called definite integration. That means how to remember this? If limits are given on this one symbol, this is called definite integration. If limits are not given, that means indefinite integration. Very simple. I think now you are getting this. Okay, let us do some questions on this part. This is a very simple part. Don't be worried. We will find its exact logical answer. Sir, why this is being happening? Okay, let me clear this with some practical example. My dear students, I told you differentiation meaning is slope. In same way, integration geometrical meaning is area. Tell me fast. Differentiation means slope. That means integration means area. What do you mean by area? Don't worry, we will practice some more question on integration. But first, let us clarify this constant value means. What is the meaning of this one? So first you remember, integration means, what is the integration? It means area. What do you mean by this one, sir? This meaning is like that. You know, this is the y and x. Let us assume one graph is given, one curve is given like that. If someone asks you find its area, we are unable to find this area. Then how to find? To finding this area, do one thing. Take one part like that, yes or no. Let's assume this value we define at this one is function is y and this is dx. You know what is the area? You can say length into width. What is the area? Y dx, yes or no. But this area is only defined by this one. If someone asks you complete area, that means if no define complete area, no limits are defined, means we have to add one indefinite constant, that is c. But if I define the limit from a to b, that means he is defining the limit. That means we are going to find area. This is called geometrical meaning of integration. I think now you are getting. Yes, very simple. How to remember this? Very important, dear student. This is going to be very magical concept for you guys. When you study physics, then you remember me. Yes, remember Chaitanya that time. Yes, Sri Chaitanya has given you lot of the things which is really wonderful for you. Whenever the students study the physics, what is the problem with them? They don't know basically why they study differentiation, why they study integration. The reason behind that, in most of the physics we will discuss slope. Slope means differentiation. Then after area means integration. Okay, let us take one more example for same concept. How to find out area means integration. If it is given that one function is x power 3 dx, let us assume take limits from 0 to 1. You tell me fast, what is the answer for this function? I am giving you option. Yes, comment box should be fired with right option. First option is 0. Option number 2 is 1 by 3. Option number 3 is 1 by 4. Option number 4 is None of these. Which is the right option? Do it fast. Very good. Still more fire is required in comment box. Option 3. Most of the students getting option number 3. Yes, very good. That is the right fire that I want. Good, very good. So how to calculate? Still number of students getting wrong answer. What is the right process? Again, I want to tell you. First one, just integrate it with basic rule. What is the basic rule? This is x power n. And integration of x power n is going to be x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. That means x power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. That is going to be x power 4 divided by 4. If there is no limits are given, that means we have to define one indefinite constant c. But limits are defined, that means now next process is put the value of limits. X power 4 divided by 4 from 0 to 1. Now put upper limit in place of x. When we putting 1 power 4 divided by 4 minus second one 0 power 4 divided by 4. This is going to be 1 by 4 minus 0. That is 1 by 4 is the right answer. This, what is the right answer? Option 3rd is the right option. Very good. Done. I think this is clear to everyone. Very good. Now let us move forward. Now if you know each and every formula of the differentiation, just reverse all those formula for the integration. Let us do that work so that you can remember all the integration formula also. See, what was the differentiation formula? One formula I already told you, I think no need to revise. X power n dx integration, if someone asks you, that is going to be x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. If no limits are there, that means one thing you need to remember, that is indefinite constant. Now come to the next concept. You know that differentiation of e power x is going to be e power x. Then someone asks you what is the integration of e power x with respect to x. What is your task? You have to find e की power x is the differentiation of e power x. That means it's going to be integration e power x plus c. There is one confusion is there. If someone asks you find integration of 1 by x with respect to x, dear student, do it fast. What is your answer in this case? 1 by x with respect to x. Do it fast. Can we do this integration by x power n formula? Try it with x power n formula. When you do it, x power n means x power minus 1. Do it fast. What is the x power n formula? N plus 1 divided by n plus 1. That means x power minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1. See, this power is going to be 0, but one problem is that this denominator part is going to be 0, and in denominator something is 0 means not defined. That means we are doing some mistake, we are committing some mistake. How our integration is not defined? Because 1 by x is not undefined function, this is completely defined function. Then what to do? Go to the second rule. What is the second rule? Just search 1 by x is whose differentiation is that. So this is the differentiation of log x. That means there this rule is not applicable. That's why whenever you remember this formula, wherever you see this formula in any of textbook, you will find n should not be equal to minus 1. Means this formula is valid for all the functions, but n does not equal to minus 1. Means n equal to minus 1, it's not defined. That's why this is specific function. What is that? We know that d over dx ln x differentiation is 1 by x. If someone asks reverse process, what is reverse process? 1 by x integration is going to be ln x, log x, natural log plus c. I think you know what is plus c means. plus c means that is define indefinite integration constant. So I think everything is very clear. That means two topics you are preparing together. First one is differentiation as well as integration. If you know differentiation, just reverse for integration. No need to learn specific. Done? Okay, if up to now everything is clear, then yes, comment box should be fired with yes sir. Done. Okay. Come to the next point. Now let us take some more example. You know that differentiation of cos x. So these are the formula directly you can remember from differentiation. Differentiation of cos x is going to be minus sin x plus c. Sorry, not plus c. Differentiation of cos x equal to minus sin x. Then if someone asks you integration of minus sin x with respect to x is going to be reverse process. Minus sin x is differentiation of cos x. Yes or no? That's why integration of minus sin x is going to be cos x plus c. Remember that. See, minus sin, but we require sin x integration. That's why sin x dx integration is going to be minus cos x plus c. Remember this. And most of the time I found that students getting confused in plus and minus. Remember this. Integration of sin x is not cos x. This is minus cos x. So integration of sin x is going to be minus cos x. What other left? Let us take one more example. If someone asks you find integration of sin 5x. You know, yesterday I told you chain rule, function rule in differentiation. Can we apply same rule in this integration part? Yes, you can apply, but you have to be careful. Just check whatever integration you are getting, that should be the reverse process of the differentiation. So let us do that. What is the integration of sin x? We know that integration of sin x is going to be minus cos x. This is minus cos. And this 5x is the angle part. We can't separate that. This is going to be 5x. What is the next part? You know that whenever we are performing differentiation, we multiply coefficient of x to that differential coefficient. But when we are doing integration, just divide that part. What to divide? Divided by 5. Sometimes if you are confused that whether this is right or wrong, just do. If you differentiate this part, you get the same result. That means you are doing right. This is the simple concept. That means we are getting one more concept. In differentiation, whenever we are performing differentiation, we multiply that differential part with multiplier of x. In same way, in integration, we divide from that part. I think this is very clear to all of you. Yes or no? Okay, yes sir. Done. Plus c is, you need to remember what is the meaning of plus c. Yes or no? I think this integration, when you play it like a game, this is going to be very interesting. That's why whatever topic you are studying in physics, try to do it with like game and try to solve the questions. If you are not solving the question, that means you are not going to be very strong in physics. See, up to 10th journey was separate journey. Whatever you have studied that time, most of the students connected with theory knowledge. But whenever we coming to this NEET domain, JEE domain, what is our purpose? We have to be practice oriented. Practice oriented means whenever we will be solving the question, that is the only process to learn physics. Or not only learn, you can learn something from the theory part also. But thing is that till you not perform the questions, you will not able to remember that part for the longer time period. To remember things for longer time period, you need to practice the questions only. That's why every day I am telling you whatever concept I am teaching you, just you practice 5 questions from each concept. That is VS rule. Yes, that you have to perform every day. That means I think now your each and every formula of the differentiation and integration is completed. Let us take one more example. For one, integration is very less used as compared to differentiation. So that let us assume sometimes question can be asked. You tell me fast. This is cos 4x. This is your work. Do it fast. Okay. I am giving you this task. Who will be the winner? Yes, I am going to give you him medal definitely. When you come at this center, definitely you will get medal. This one, cos 4x dx integration will be, I am giving you option number 1. First one is sin 4x divided by 4 plus c. Option number 2, sin 4x divided by 4. Option number 3, minus sin 4x divided by 4 plus c. Option number 4, cos 4x divided by 4 plus c. Which is the right option? Yes, my dear future doctors, tell me fast. What is the right answer? Very good, and comment box should be fired with right option so that I can get motivated with your answer. See, most of the students I think right. Still some of students who is still confused. That is not confused. Yeah, questions is like that. Only some standard question is there. Yes, what is the answer? How to do this question? Sir, we know cos is the differentiation of minus sine. I already told you, don't be confused. Yes or no? That means whenever you are performing, yes, there is some problem is that you tell me whenever you are getting confused, what you have to check, d over dx sin x differentiation, what is going to be cos x. If we integrate cos x, see, some of the students, most of the students are right, that is cos x dx is going to be sin x plus c. So same way, cos x integration is going to be sin 4x by 4, but be careful for constant, plus c is not there, both are sin x, sin 4x by 4, but you to be plus c constant. That means first option is the right option. Very good, dear students, you are doing well, really doing well. That type of the energy and that types of the command I want, so that you continue on this point. Okay, let us do some questions on that part. I think now you are ready to perform some magical question on integration. Let us do. Are you ready? Ready, then first question. Okay, if you want to learn some formulas I have mentioned here, don't be worried, I will try to attach this file with description box so that you can take that note. This is x power n, sin x, revise that, minus cos x. Cos x is sin x plus c. See, 1 by x is very important. 1 by x is the most confusing part of the integration. What is that confusing part? Log x, because x power n formula is not going to work on that part, and e power x is going to be e power x. So these are the basic formula. And what is the concept behind that part? These are all are the reverse process of differentiation. That's why on this side differentiation is specially mentioned, so that if you know the formula for the differentiation, you no need to remember integration formula separately. Just use differentiation formula and use that. Done? Okay, let us do some questions. Ready for? Yes, some bilkul mad list questions. Be ready for that. Yeah, question number 1. Let us start. What is the answer? Three x square dx integration. Very good, and your comment box fire should be continue with speed. See, when you get knowledge in subject, your second process is accuracy, and when you get accuracy, third is speed. Now I think my future doctors are completely ready for speed also, supersonic speed. What is the answer? See, 3 is constant, take 3 outside. 3 is constant, take 3 outside. Integration of x square dx. 3. I think apply power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. That is 3 divided by 3. 3 is cancelled. This is x power 3. But x power 3, this is definite or indefinite? No limits are there. That means plus c is going to be right answer. X power 3 plus c. First option is the right option. I think clear everyone? Yes, very good. First option C. Still some of the students who are giving wrong answer, third option. not third, but most of are right. Yes, very good. First option is the right option. Very good. Come to the next question. Let us do some fast. This is the question number 2. Do it fast. What is the answer? Yes, this is some more standard question. But I think you are capable enough to do that question. Because if you are learning whatever concept I am telling you clearly, that means you are going to rock in this part. And if you are going to rock in differentiation and integration, means you are going to be very great in physics. X square plus sin x plus 3. What is the integration? Yes, very good. First integrate x square. What is the integration? X power 3 by 3. Then after sin x integration is cos x or minus. This is very confusing part. What is the integration? Yes, very good. Sin x is going to be minus cos x. Plus, what's about 3? That is very confusing. Sir, what is the integration? If someone asks you integration of this one, how to calculate? Dear student, be very careful. If some constant, sometimes student get confused. That's why you told that constant differentiation is 0. That means integration is also 0. No, never. Whenever constant is outside, 1 dx. See, dear student, 1 means x power 0. Because x power 0 itself is 1. And what is the integration of x power 0? 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. That means 3x. Remember that. If constant is there, its integration is x. You can say, you remember like that. Integration of 1 is x. Integration of 3 is 3x. Integration of 4 is 4x. That means this is going to be 3x. So which is the right option? X power 3 plus 3x and plus c will be there. Which is the right option? I think x power 3 by 3 minus cos x plus 3x plus c. Second option is the right option. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Very good. Great. I think clear to everyone? Done. Come to the next question. See, 4 by root x. This is some of standard. You can say gold medalist question. Yes, the person who is going to be first can be eligible for gold medal. Done. 4 by root x. Then in that question, same process. Still 4. This is root x means this 1 by root x. Can I write it like minus 1 by 2 dx? Now do same process. Do the same process. What is the answer? Yes, in that process 4 is going to be constant. X power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Then this is going to be 4 x power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. This is going to be 8 root x plus c. This is very important. Calculation does matter. So what is the right option? C. I think some of students are giving right option, but most of the students are wrong. Which one? 8 root x plus c is the right option in this question. Very good. Done. Fourth option. I think clear everyone. If everything is clear, yes, comment box should be fired with same. Yes, sir. Okay, because this is something you can say standard part is going on. That means now we are entering in our main concept of the physics. Okay, let us take 2 questions also. These are important for your integration practice. Y equal to x square is given. What you have to calculate? This is definite integration, my dear student, not indefinite. Means there is no constant required. Do it fast. Y, value of y is x square, means to say you have to integrate 0 to 1 x square dx. What is the integration of x square? Yes, integration of x square is going to be x power 3 divided by 3. And after that, limits. Still, if students are get confused in limits, upper part is upper limit, lower part is lower limit. Now put the values. Upper part 1 power 3 divided by 3 minus 0 power 3 divided by 3. This is going to be 1 by 3. That means what is the right answer? 1 by 3 is the right answer. 1 by 3 means second option is the right option. Very good. Good, very good, yeah. Now I think comment box getting right response. Most of the students getting 2. Very good. Okay, take last question for today's class. I think that is your home assignment, or we'll do that. Okay, do it right now only, because this is little bit standard question. What is the answer? Do it fast. 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x dx. What is the integration of sin x? Again confusing. Sin x integration means minus cos x. Then after cos x integration means sin x. And next part is limits, very important. 0 to pi by 2. If students are confused, 0 means 0, pi by 2 means 90 degree. I think know that. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. Now put the limits. First one is minus cos pi by 2 means cos 90 degree is 0 plus sin pi by 2. This is upper limit part is done. Now minus lower limit. Lower limit means minus cos 0 plus sin 0. Now calculate it. What is the right answer? Final answer will be, this is pi by 2 means 0 plus 1 minus, this is 1 minus minus, you can say this is minus 1 plus 0. What is 1 minus, you can say plus 1. What is the answer? 2 is the right answer. First option will be the right option. First option. See, this is the standard question. I think number of students done that right, but most of the students are wrong in this question also. Very good. Done. Very good. So my dear student, I think this is more than sufficient for today's class. And now listen very carefully. Now, most of the students are connected with me from first class, not only with me, with this complete bridge course. Stay connected till your last class. And when after attending this bridge course, you come to the center, definitely you will feel, you can say, very front of all other students, very advanced of all other students, because you know lot of things in physics. Your faculty members are giving you amazing concepts. These are very useful for you guys. That's why learn these concepts very, very carefully and practice that concept, yes or no, and always be energetic, be consistent, be positive, never think negative, and spread this positive energy to your friends also. Done? Okay, thank you very much. And tomorrow what we will discuss? Tomorrow our topic will be something about some more mathematical concept about trigonometric function. After that we will start 1D, one dimensional motion. Be ready for that. Okay, thank you very much. Jai Hind.